Welcome back. How'd you go? Did you manage to create some data loaders for the ViT feature extractor? I trust you gave it a shot, but let's now do it together. This one will be quite a swift little video. So we want to set up the ViT data loaders. What's the main thing we want to pay attention to here? Well, the data transforms, of course. So when we're loading in data to be used with, we're loading in our we're loading in our custom data, pizza, steak, sushi, 20%, test and train. We want to turn those data sets into data loaders. What is the main thing when we're loading data for a pre-trained model? Well, we want to make sure that it's in the same format. So I'm going to create train data loader ViT, test data loader ViT. We want to make sure that it's in the same format that our pre-trained ViT model has been trained on. So let's go data setup.create data loaders. Again, this is using our pre-made function from the going modular section. So that's saving us a fair bit of code here. And we can just pass in the training directory, the testing directory, the transform that we want to transform our data with, which will be, of course, ViT transform. So let's pass that in there. ViT transforms. Then what else do we want? Well, we'll just give it a batch size of 32, hey? Our trusty old 32. And of course, you can experiment with these different values. But let's now get a little look-see of what's going on here. We'll get the length of our training data loader, see how many batches of testing and training data we have, and just make sure we've got the class names. Boom, look at that. Exact same output as our FNet B2 data loaders, but the key difference is that we're transforming the data that we've loaded into these data loaders using the ViT transforms rather than the FNet B2 transforms. So if we go in here, of course, this functionality comes from datasetup.py, create data loaders. There's that function there. So that's all we need to do for that section. I feel like we are up to training time. So let's go into training a ViT feature extractor. And again, I've got another challenge for you, and that's to jump ahead of the video. See if you can go all the way to getting some loss curves for our ViT model. But we'll do that together in the next video. I'll see you there.